Class 8, Subject English, Chapter 1.1 Be the Best, Chit-Chat plus English Workshop. Warming up, Chit-Chat. 1. Have you got a prize in any competition? Answer: Yes, I have got a prize in essay writing competition. 2. How did you feel at the time? Answer: I felt very happy at that time. 3. Have you ever failed in your efforts? Answer: Yes, I did fail on some occasions in spite of my efforts. 4. Do you think we should accept success as well as failure? Answer: Yes, definitely. We should accept success as well as failure with the same spirit. 5. What will be your reaction if you are not selected in a team? Answer: I will feel sad and dejected if I am not selected in a team, but I will try to find the reason of it and work on it to improve myself. 1a. Read aloud the following sets of words: A. River, stream. C. Ocean. B. Hill, stone, mountain, rock. C. Plant, sapling, tree, seed. D. Child, adult, baby, youth. B. Arrange each of the above sets of words according to the increasing order of their size or growth. Answer: A. Stream, river, sea, ocean. B. Stone, rock, hill, mountain. C. Seed, sapling, plant, tree. D. Baby, child, youth, adult. 2. In your pre-primary classes, you must have learned the story of Lion and the Mouse. Read it in English and fill in the gaps using words given in the box. A lion was sleeping in a forest. A mouse started playing on him. The lion got up angrily. He caught the mouse and was ready to kill it. The mouse begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would help the lion. The lion loved it and let it go. One day the lion was caught in a net set up by hungers. He roared loudly as he tried to hard escape. The mouse heard the lion and came. It chewed up the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Moral of the story: a friend in need is a friend indeed. English Workshop. Question 1. Read the words or names given below. Put the big sized, bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle. Musky, tree, pine, lake, bass, bush, highway, scrub, trail. Answer: in small circle: scrub, rill, bush, bass, star, trail. In big circle: pine, sun, highway, lake, tree, musky. Question 2. From group of 4, read each stanza in the poem turn by turn. You have to Do this activity with your friends. Question 3. Find and write these pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Answer A. Hill, rill. B. B. Tree. C. Grass, bass. D. Make, lake. Question 4. Complete the following statements with appropriate words or phrases from the poem. 1. If you can't be a pine, be a scrub. 2. If you can't be a tree, be a bush. 3. If you are a muskie, be a bass. 4. If you can't be a captain, you can be in screw. 5. If you can't be a highway, be a trail. 6. If you can't be the sun, be a star. Question 5. Write whether the following true or false. 1. All must be the captains of the teams. Answer false. 2. A bit of glass can make the highway happier. Answer true. 3. We win or fail depending upon size or position. Answer false. 4. A scrub is found at the top of the hill. Answer false. 5. If your work is not important, don't do it. Answer false. 6. Whatever job you have, do your best. Answer true. Question 6. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points are given below. 1. The title of the poem is Be the Best. 2. The poem is written by Douglas Malloch. 3. The poem has 4 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. The lines that rhyme in each stanza are first and second, third and fourth. 5. The poet compares big things with small things. 6. If you can't, be is a repeated expression in the poem. 7. The line I shall always remember is be the best of whatever you are.